This is the poo of the cow, and inside the poo of the cow we can find small things like that, worms, and we are trying to find all the worms all together like that, because afterwards the farmers are going to sell them to the fishes so they can use them, and then they are also using the poo to use them as a fertilizer and also to make bricks.
I think it's really interesting because usually the population here throw the poo to the river, then we can use it for something useful.